Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Soundcore earbuds with your MacBook. First of all, you have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds. Next, you have to take a look for the indicators. They are located right here, and when they start blinking, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So just take a look for it. It is pairing, it is blinking, so we are in the pairing mode. Then we have to open the Bluetooth settings. We have to open, I just said it, so never mind. When we are in the Bluetooth settings, we have to take a look for the nearby devices, and we have to select our Soundcore, Skullcandy Dime 2 earbuds. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.